Need a high-capacity power station that charges crazy fast and runs your gear off-grid? Meet the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500. Let's see what it can really do. Hey, hi guys! It's Jordan here from ALNSM Overland and welcome back to my channel. We are here today together for a new video, a new gear review video, because I got my hands on this thing. This is a massive power station, something I really wanted to have to test, and it's not just a tiny one that is okay for charging your phone or recharging batteries. This one is capable of running fridge, power tools, compressor, everything you need off-grid. So this is the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 and today we're gonna test it. But first, unbox it. Okay, so let's try to make it quick on the unboxing. You can see it comes in a really nice big sturdy box because this thing is heavy. So what do we got inside? So we got the user manual, come handy, some tips about using the power station, and nice sheet of stickers. Here we got a first package, and then the unit. Here we go. And if we open this little box, we have a few cables. The first one is a 12 volts cigarette lighter plug. This one is obviously the house power inlet to recharge the power station. Then we got a few cables, USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C. So nice to have. Okay, so before testing this bad boy, we're gonna go through some specs because that's pretty important. As you can see, as I already tell, this is a pretty heavy unit. It's around 16 kilograms, but you got two nice handles to get it around camp or your garage, in your car, whatever. So I think you already saw it on the box, but the battery capacity it's 1548 watt hours for an output power of 1500 watts, which is pretty high. There is an ultra fast charging, so you can go to 0 to 100% of battery in 1 hour with AC wall charging power outlet in your house. That's really quick, then that's really convenient. So if you want to go on a trip and you totally forgot to charge it, in 1 hour it's fully ready and fully charged. That's awesome. The battery is actually an LFP, Life PO4 battery, which is kind of better than just lithium batteries. It's more durable and safer. You can go up to 3000 charging cycles. I think that's way enough for an entire life. So no doubt about the battery, it should be safe and durable. On the front of the unit, as you can see, there is multiple outputs. But first, let's talk about inputs, because you gotta charge it and the inputs are just here. It's actually written on it. You have the AC input, which is the one you're gonna plug into your power outlet in your house. You also have the DC input, which is gonna be for the charging in a car with the cigarette plug, and solar inputs if you got the solar panel with the power unit as well. They sell it on the website as well, and I'm gonna put a few links in the description, so feel free to check it out. So obviously, or maybe not, you have a display here. We're gonna see that just after, with the percentage of the battery, what is going on with the power unit. And in terms of output, you got everything. So you got DC output here for 12 volt cigarette plug, which is pretty great. You have a lot of USB output here. You have 4 of them with 1 here at the end for quick charge. Then, as you can see here, you got AC output for running bigger gear. As I said, like a fridge, like power tools. So you can plug them here, 3 outputs. This is European outputs. Obviously, it does exist with US standards. Once again, link in the description and feel free to check it out. It's said that it's pure sine wave. I'm not gonna test it, measure it, because I don't have the tool for this, but pure sine wave is the best and the safest way to get powers. And as I already said, maximum output is 1500 watts. You also got on the top here, little storage for other batteries or cables. And on the other side, you got some kind of LED light. You can strobe with 3 different power. And last thing here, you got the jumper cable output to simply jumpstart your car if needed, and just to recharge your battery. So the specs of this bad boy are pretty great. So now let's try it real situation. So I brought my fridge. I actually reviewed not so long ago. I brought the compressor I use in the Tactifos for overlanding. I also got my phone charger. We're gonna plug everything into this and just see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, I got everything running out of the power station. I just made a small mistake, is that the fridge, I only have the 12 volt cigarette lighter plug, and the compressor is also running with that. And there's only one of this output, so I can't use the fridge and the compressor at the same time, but the fridge does come with this kind of plug, so I could have done it that way, just forgot the good cable. But anyway, it's up and running, the fridge is freezing, and the phone is charging, fast charge. And I'm gonna make a little close-up on the display here so you can see what is going on. It's really complicated to film the display because there is a lot of reflection, but you can see there is your capacity, still 100%. The hours left you can run with this setup, so fridge and phone 16 hours, and you got the watts output like real time, and this is around 40-60 watts. And you can see that you have the DC running and the AC running, one for the fridge and one for the phone. Also, the power station have some fans for cooling. It makes a little bit of noise. I hope you can hear it. It's really not that bad. everything is up and running, as you can see. So basically I can go right now on a hike, leave my food and my beverage here so it can stay fresh. I can charge if I want my drone batteries, camera batteries, spare batteries, and I can go on a 18 hours hike that way. So that's plenty of time. It's way more than enough for an afternoon of adventure. And after that, if I want to move from a camp spot to another, I can like charge the battery if needed on 12 volts cigarette lighter. So this I think will work like a charm as an external battery for car camping, outdoor adventures, and even overlanding if you don't have a dual battery setup. Let's unplug the fridge. And use my compressor. Alright, so if you're looking for a power solution for your trips and you don't want to go to the dual battery setup for your car, if maybe you have a stock car just like the Daily Fuzz to go on a car trip, road trips, this is something you might look for because it has everything you need for this kind of activities. What I really liked about the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 is the fast charging. That was really fast and convenient. Maybe the only cons of this unit is that there is no wireless charging. Like maybe they could have built something on top. You just put your phone or maybe earbuds or whatever and it's charging wireless. And it's also heavy, but I think they all weight this kind of weight. That's inevitable. So if you're looking to get one for your adventures, you can get this one on VTOMAN website. The link is going to be down below in the description. The price is currently at 569 euros. You can get 30 euros off by subscribing to their newsletter. And also I have a special discount code for you and it's going to be down below in the description with all the links. So go check it out, guys. Okay, so honestly with this I can't wait to go on small adventure, car camping adventure or road trip with the Daily Fuzz and this as a power station because you have everything you need. I hope this video was helpful if you were looking into this kind of stuff. I wouldn't make a positive video review about a product I don't like, so please keep that in mind. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. I have tons of video about gear review, DIY videos, mechanic videos, and obviously outdoor adventures, overlanding videos. I also have my Instagram account, once again down below in the description. So thank you guys for watching and see you soon.